In this video, we will learn about how to increase upload limit and memory size of your WordPress site on localhost. In your WordPress site, you will see that the maximum upload file size is 2 megabytes. So, when you are trying to upload a file which is larger than 2 MB, it shows error. We have a blog about fatal error in WordPress site. Check the link in the description below. Here, you can see 3 solutions. Any solution can work for you. Let's go for solution number 1. At first go to your local server and find php.ini file. Open the file in any editor. Copy the line and paste it in the file search option. Then find the upload_max_ file size and change the value of it. Then find post_max_ size, and then increase its value. Similarly, find memory_limit, max_execution_time and max_input_time. Then change its value. After that, save the file. Then, go back to the WordPress site and reloads it. You can see it is still showing the maximum size 2 megabytes. In my case, problem is not solved. Let's go for solution 2. Go to the htdocs and then open the project. After that, find the wp config file. Copy the line from the blog and paste it in the file. Then, save the file. Again, go back to your dashboard and reload it. Still the problem is not solved. Now, lastly go for solution 3. Go back to your server then htdocs and search the .htaccess file. Open it with editor and then copy the lines and paste it here. After that save the file. Go back to the dashboard and reloads it. You can see the maximum size increased. So the problem of my fatal error is solved. Any of your solution can work for you. So try to follow the solutions carefully and hopefully you can get rid of your fatal error. Thank you for watching.